In this video, I will be showing you how to create a personal loan calculator site using ChatGPT. Let's get started. First, I open up my web browser and click on the address bar at the top of the screen. I type in chatgpt.com to head over to the website. Once the page loads, I move my cursor down and click directly into the chat box where it says, "Ask anything." Now, I type out a highly detailed prompt to get exactly what I need. I write, "Create a complete personal loan calculator website and provide the full working code. Include loan amount, interest rate, loan term, monthly payment calculation, total interest, total repayment, responsive design, and modern user interface." Do not explain the steps, build the complete website. Once the text is all set, I click on the Send Prompt button on the right side of the input field. ChatGPT begins processing my request immediately and starts generating the complete HTML file right inside the chat window. I can see the structure taking shape, starting with the document setup, followed by the embedded CSS styling rules for a clean, modern interface. The code smoothly transitions into the actual HTML structure, creating the input groups for the loan amount, interest rate, and loan term, utilizing convenient slider controls for a better user experience. Once the entire script finishes generating, I move my cursor to the top right corner of the code block and click on the Preview button. A security dialog box pops up asking to allow network access for external web fonts, so I click the Allow button to proceed. Another permission window appears, and I quickly click Allow Selected to ensure everything renders beautifully. Now, the live preview of our personal loan calculator appears on screen, showing a slick, dark-themed user interface with interactive elements. I click on the full screen icon in the top right corner to get a much better look at the final product. To test out our newly built site, I interact with the slider controls to see how it responds. First, I click and drag the loan amount slider to the right to increase the value, and then I pull it back to adjust it dynamically. Next, I move down to the interest rate slider, clicking and dragging it to fine-tune the percentage. After that, I click on the loan term slider, pulling it to the left to shorten the duration. Finally, I adjust the loan amount one more time to find a balanced figure, and I tweak the interest rate slider slightly to see the real-time calculations update instantly on the right side, showing the precise monthly payment, total interest, and total repayment breakdown. Everything works perfectly. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.